Welcome back to my channel, guys. And in today's video I'll be doing a jerk chicken shawarma, and I'll be doing that in the oven. And we're going to start with our washed and patted dry chicken. Now I'm using chicken thighs in this recipe, and I washed it with some vinegar and also some lemon juice. So for this we're going to start with our salt and black pepper. Okay, so I went in with that salt and black pepper. And next I'm going in with cumin. I'll also be going in with some ground allspice, my garlic powder, smoked paprika. I'll be adding some turmeric as well, and my green seasoning. I'll be right back. And now we're going to go ahead with that Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. And of course, we're going in with some yogurt. And mix it all together. And this is how it looks. I'm going to cover it up with plastic wrap, and I'm going to allow it to marinate overnight, and I'll see you guys in the morning. So now it's time to assemble it together. So here I have half of an onion that I cut in two, and I put in skewers on them. So I'm going to start to layer the chicken. So this is how it looks. The oven is set to 375. I'm going to place it in the oven and allow it to go ahead and cook, and I'll be right back. And these came out so good, guys. So because they were stacked, they were able to retain moisture and be so juicy. Thank you guys for watching, and catch you in the next one.